Hey, we're at Whitley's Peanut Factory in Gloucester, Virginia. And they are super nice here. And here we are. Oh my gosh, it's Goober the Traveling Bear. Another site that's fully approved by Goober. So, we're going to be going inside the shop here. One of the neat things that they have here is one of the many love signs. Life is short, be kind, be courteous always. So, really neat. We're going inside next. Hello everyone, I'm in Whitley's Gloucester.
Whitley's Peanut Factory.
Whitley's Peanut Factory in Gloucester, Virginia, right down from Scoots. And oh my gosh, Goober the Traveling Bear is here too. And they have all kinds of cool peanut stuff in here. They have peanuts galore. And it's a very quaint shop. So if you're in Gloucester, Virginia, and don't forget, they have their Tulip Festival in June, I believe. So we're in Gloucester Point. Down the street is Gloucester. And they have t-shirts for sale, cups, mugs, and all kinds of cool things. And it's Goober approved. And we'll zip over here. Looks like you have jams. Oh, look at those. Little hand grenades. We'll move up to them. Hot sauce. Very cool. Wow. I'm going to zip over here and pan over to you. And here we have
Jenny Dawson. I'm the manager here at Whitley's Peanut. It's a very unique and quaint shop. It's everything is done by hand. Peanuts are dipped, and it's a family-owned business. Come join us and enjoy some peanuts.
All right. Well, thank you for allowing Goober and myself to come here and visit you. And Scoots is right down the street. Sometimes Goober is down there working, as you know. And we're heading off to the Maryland Veterans Museum to do their video at 2 o'clock. Thank you. Stay safe, be kind, be courteous, and visit Gloucester, Virginia. Well, I like to say everyone here at the Whitley Peanut Factory were super kind to Goober and I. Please consider stopping, and don't forget, be kind, be courteous, be safe. And that's it for now.